Okay, today we are installing the back windshield on the 2009-2010 newer or older Prowlers. This is the square roll bar. This is a little bit of a unique installation, so I thought I'd shoot a quick video on it. The bolt holes, usually I use straps or clamps, but because of the width and size of this roll bar, that's very, very difficult to do. So we're actually going to utilize the 4 holes that are in your roll bar. So these top 4 holes just go into holes that are pre-drilled into your roll bar. We supply you with the bolts that you want to put in there, and we're using a 15 millimeter wrench to secure these on. So I've already gone on and put those other ones, like I said, kind of an afterthought to shoot this video just because we have to drill a hole here, and I just thought I'd explain how I'd go about doing this. So secure that bolt onto there. Now this gentleman has a little dust guard, so I'm just going to kind of move that out of the way so I can drill properly. Pull my windshield nice and tight against the, let's get that guy out of the way. My windshield right there. And what we're going to do here is we're going to use I'm just doing it this way. You don't have to do it this way, just to try to make it a little more centered. I'm taking a 1/4 inch drill bit and making my center. I don't happen to have a hole punch here at this moment, so if you have a little hole punch, that works better, but I'm just going to use this guy to get me a little centered hold there. And then the drill you want to use is it's actually called a T. It's like a 0.10 millimeter drill bit, but if you happen to have a T model, that's the best one. It's allows a little bit more thread for the bolt to grab on, so that's the one you want to use. You know, I think I want a little bit more of that 1/4 inch actually. It's kind of skating on me. There we go. Go through that. That should be good enough. I just want to take that. Blow all the crap out of there before you tighten it down. Like I say, you don't have to drill that hole all the way through because you can kind of force this bolt, which is a great way to make it nice and snug. Okay. And there we are installed. Everything done. Obviously, I installed the top 3 bolts across there first. I did the top 4 bolts first is what I actually did before I took them on to show you. But that just gives you how you set that up, and that's basically all there is to it. If you have any questions, give us a call. Some of the important things to remember with your windshield: always rinse it off with water first before you go and wipe it down with anything. Never ever use Windex. Never use paper towels. Always rinse it off with water first. Use clean microfiber cloths. If you purchase the non-mar resistant windshield, I would really highly recommend you doing to not really so much wash the inside of it when you're out on the trail, because you really want to spray that off with water. You could just rinse this down with water, but you are going to get it all over inside your cab. So that's the only challenge. You want to rinse off, especially the non-mar resistant, you want to rinse those off with water first. If you have any questions, please give us a call, and thanks so much for your business.